Hey guys, I've decided to vlog with you today because literally we're getting stormed in and this is the beginning of the storm. It is literally snowing. It's pretty, but I was hoping it wasn't going to come because going to work and driving in this is not fun. And I just came back from picking up the kids from school. It was not fun. Lots of traffic. People are not happy. Hopefully it won't snow in for much more longer, but it looks like they say about 6 to 8 inches. Hopefully not, because I really don't want that. Stay tuned, guys. Kids are enjoying building a snowman. Wow, good job. Keep it going. It is so cold.
No, it's so sharp.
We'll see how long they last over there.
Yeah.
We sure did get our 6 to 8 inches of snow, as they promised. My car is all covered. Oh my gosh. It's pretty, but I'm happy that it's Saturday and I don't have to go to work. This is scary. We had power outage yesterday because of this, but only for a few hours. But yeah, it's pretty and cold. Hopefully it starts to melt soon. And even in the storm, our hummingbirds still come to eat. Poor little things. They're so cute. Aww. Hope it doesn't freeze.
Hummingbird in the storm flew away. It's hiding somewhere in the trees, as always. Alright, you guys, like I promised, it did snow a lot last night. We actually don't have any power, and they said it was going to be 6 to 8 inches. We sure did get our 8 inches, and as you guys know, for Washington State, that's a lot of snow. And we weren't really prepared for that, even though they warned us. But we did get food the night before. It was really crazy in stores and on the roads because people were going home. They were trying to get home before all the storm, but people were freaking out more than they probably should have. For us, it's fun and a little bit scary. So hopefully the storm will stop and the snow starts to melt, hopefully soon, because we need to get to work on Mondays. So yeah guys, stay tuned for more. The wind is blowing and it is freezing. I hope all this is not going to freeze, because if it does, we're probably not going to get power back for a very long time. Very pretty though. This is some of the snowman that people made. This is so funny. Look at that nose. Very cool. And here's another one. Very creative. And not sure, but this looks like an attempt on making a snowman. But hey, kids had fun. So the roads are slushy, so you can drive fine, but I feel like midday all this is gonna freeze and it's gonna be not so fun to drive this. I'm glad we are staying home and not going anywhere. Alex is having fun. They're making another snowman.
Touch the sky. I'm gonna live on your mind. Touch the sky.
People are having fun. Girls are really having fun. This is probably the only time they can do that before it gets all icy. You run! Run! So this is day 4 of our storm, you guys. There's tons of snow everywhere. And the problem is that underneath this snow, it's actually pretty icy. So driving on it is not very safe. Looks like someone attempted to. But this is all like icy. Hopefully it starts to melt soon. Like this is all ice. And that scares me. So pretty though.